Odyssey's Driver Information Interface, or DII, offers significant personalization options within the driver's instrument cluster. When you start your vehicle, warning messages may appear in the DII. Use the Home button on the left side of the steering wheel to acknowledge each warning. Once the warnings are cleared, you can customize the display by pressing the Home button again. A single push brings up a scrolling menu of information display options that the driver can scroll through with the scroll wheel to the right of the Home key, and select by depressing the scroll wheel. There are many options from which to choose. Selected items will appear on the DII until you change selections. Many of these options have secondary selections accessible by further rolling the scroll wheel and pushing to select. You can select a different option at any time. Just be sure you're parked in a safe location when you change selections. For more information about your Honda Odyssey, be sure to check out HondaInfoCenter.com.